This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by John Bays. Welcome to Capeway Condo, your slice of paradise in the prime location of Cape Coral. A 55-plus community. With a mature setting, for you to enjoy. This condo has 2-bed 2-bath, a spacious living room and dining area. New cabinets in kitchen, new carpets in bedrooms, new laminate flooring in living area and hallway. Freshly painted unit on the 3rd floor with nice views. Community pool, common laundry, with extra storage space. Building has brand new roof in 2022. Situated just a couple of blocks from Cape Coral Parkway, the heart of downtown South Cape. Minutes away from parks, beaches, churches, dining options, Cape Coral Bridge going to Fort Myers. Affordable condo with low HOA fees. Make your appointment today to see for your slice of paradise in Southwest Florida. For more information